The Inventory Overview page is your at-a-glance dashboard for managing inventory across FBA, MFN, and unlisted channels. To access your inventory overview, simply go to Inventory in the top menu and select Overview in the dropdown. Here, you'll find a series of data widgets, giving you key insights updated daily, complete with a local timestamp. Click the arrow next to any widget header to open the full inventory page for that channel. You can customize your view by using the navigation arrows within each widget, allowing you to view data by day. Widgets display critical metrics. This includes the total sales value, the total on-hand buy cost, and the total on-hand quantity. You can dive deeper with lower section arrows to explore the following: the top 5 MSKUs by on-hand quantity, the top 5 and bottom 5 MSKUs by average cost, the top 5 replenished MSKUs, and the top 5 MSKUs by sales value. Use the search feature to locate items by MSKU, ASIN, keyword, or tag. Search across all channels or select a specific one from the dropdown. When searching all channels, you'll see on-hand quantities by channel and whether items are in archived inventory. Click any on-hand quantity to view item details for that channel. Here, you can edit purchase info such as cost per unit, supplier, and purchase date. And that's a quick look at the inventory overview page. Thanks for watching.